In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could retrieve deleted messages here on Messenger on an iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up Messenger on your iPhone. And essentially what you're going to want to do is select the little menu icon down in the bottom right. From here, select Settings up in the very top and scroll all the way down to the bottom and select See More in Account Center. And in this section, scroll down till you see this Account Settings tab and select your information and permissions. Select Export Your Information up at the very top and wait for the page to load. But once it does load, go ahead and select Create Export, choose your Facebook account, and then select either Export to Device or Export to External Service. In my case, I'm just going to export it to my device. And then scroll down a little bit and you're going to see a few different tabs on here. There's two important things to check. First, open up Notify and make sure this is set to the right email and hit save. And then from here, go ahead and go into Customize Your Information and find the Messages tab right here and just tick it on. It doesn't really matter about anything else. I would keep it all checked, but as long as you have Messages ticked on, you should be good to go. Then just scroll down and you can hit Start Export. Now it's going to take a little bit of time to do, but it's going to export every little bit of information that you have selected to an HTML or text file or even a zip file as well. And it's going to send it to your email. So wait for that email to come through, open up the email, and inside that you'll be able to see all of those deleted messages here on Messenger. It really is as simple as that. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.